What's up, guys? It's me. I'm back with another video. It's my second video, and I got more fireworks this year. So I'm just gonna do a quick overview of what I bought last time. I got 3 packs of smoke balls, 3 packs of Top Gun snappers, a pack of zingers, Desert at Night, Garden in Spring. Got one 40-inch Mammoth Day parachute, 6 artillery shells, and 100 shots Miracle Barrage. That's from the last video, just if you did not watch it. Here's some of the new stuff. Look in this bag. So in this bag we have some of the little stuff. We have 2 packs of giant ground bloom flowers. Yeah, you guys probably know what those do. Just set them there. The next one we have I think 5 packs of snappers from World Class. Little snapper things. Yeah, we have 5 packs of those. Then we're getting to the little bigger stuff. We have 1 small ground colored pearl flower. This is 48 shots. Performance emits showers of bright red-green stars with silver crackling stars at the end. We got one of those. Then we got, what's this? Let's see. We got 2 of the bigger color pearl flower. This one is 96 shots. Performance emits showers of bright red-green stars with crackling. So it's just a little bit different than that one, but not by much. Then we have, let's see, how many of these do we have? We have 1 and 2. We got 2 of these, what are these? Saturn missiles, and from World Class, we got 2 of them. So those are 100 shots. And now we're into the bigger stuff. Okay, let's see what we have in here. We got a pack of, I think those are Black Cat fountains. We got the Silver Celebration fountain, the Sunset fountain, I think that's the Blue Forest fountain. Then we got the Doubloon fountain. So there's that. We got 2 Venoms, 7 shots. It's a 200-gram cake. If you guys are wondering, here's the performance: red with time rain. So it really goes up to the air. Shoots one at a time, then rains down red stuff. We got this one. This is the White Tiger. The performance is right here. Crackling tail to crackling. Okay, so I actually don't know how much that was because we got it for free. So I don't really care, to be honest. Yeah, that's a 200-gram cake, and how many shots is it? 9 shots. It's a 9-shot cake. Then we got one of these things, Thunder Bomb. It's just a bunch of little firecrackers in it. It's from the brand Boomer. We have one of them, another brand by Boomer right there. I'm probably gonna get a bigger one of those soon, most likely. So I'll keep you updated on what I get. So I'll go over what I have real quick. I have the World Class clay color smoke balls. I got the Top Gun snappers, the launch pad, the Zangers. We got Desert at Night by Top Gun. Garden in Spring by Top Gun. We got the 100-shot Miracle Barrage by Miracle Fireworks. We got the artillery shells, the mini artillery shells by World Class Fireworks. And then we got the 40-inch Mammoth Day Parachute by Boomer. Over here we have 5 packs of snappers by World Class. We got the giant ground bloom flowers. We got one of the color pearl flowers, 48 shots. We got the 96 shot color pearl flowers. We got 2 venoms. We got 1 white tiger, and we got a pack of fountains by Black Cat, and we got the Saturn missile by World Class Fireworks right here. So yeah, right here, this is my fireworks stash, part 2. Subscribe and like the video.
Today's video is sponsored by SeatGeek. Yes, SeatGeek, the place where you buy tickets for the Lil Nas X concert. Use code IWANTAPILLOW for a special offer. This code does not work in the following countries, all of them. Also, don't forget to check out the new Diamio song Glacier. Please.
Like and subscribe.